Hello, this is Hadith Moctator with Hadith's tutorial service online interactions. Today, as I promised, we are going to learn more about exponents, but we're just going to learn the basics of it. We're going to learn squared and cubed exponents. Squared exponents and cubed exponents. So let's start with squared. If I have a number, for example, my number 3 squared, the exponent basically means you multiply it by itself 2 times because the exponent is 2. Don't get it mixed up with 3 times 2. That would be 6. That equals, matter-of-factly, 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9. But what if I had cubed? Cubed is basically, the way I remember it is cube. And that reminds me of volume. And volume, you always do it cubed. So it's 2, 3. That means just like squared, you multiply it 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. And let's just write the answer for here. The answer for this one is 9. And for this one, it's going to be, let's take a look here. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer for this one is 8. We could do some other examples. Okay, now there's some other examples I'd like to give to you. These examples are a little bit harder. So it's going to be basically 6 squared. 6 squared is a larger number. It resembles to me 12 squared. 6 squared is basically 6 times 6, which equals 36. But 12 squared is going to be harder because you haven't gotten actually that high in multiples. You know that it's going to be 12 times 12, but you really cannot get it from the top of your brain what 12 times 12 is. That's why it's very important to memorize these kind of things. 12 times 12 is basically 144. And when we get more into this topic, we're going to learn about square roots, which is basically the opposite of exponents. Square root is basically the opposite of exponents, and then we're going to learn about uneven square roots. So stick around.